Currently, there's a massive labor shortage, meaning there's less contractors and less home repairs. If you're a contractor, you know it's getting harder and harder to find workers to do physical labor. Whether it's plumbing, HVAC, roofing, carpentry, or any other trade, there are less repairs getting done because there are less workers doing the job. The reason is that these young kids don't want to do this shit. They don't want to do no plumbing, work with their hands, get their hands dirty, whether they think they're not going to make enough money or they think it's not a cool job, they think it's a dirty job, it's a profitable job, and it's a great career. Yes, it's physical labor, but listen, if you guys get involved in plumbing, HVAC, roofing, carpentry, it's a lucrative business, it's a lucrative career, and you guys will be set for the rest of your life. STEM fields in colleges essentially replace trade courses like woodworking and carpentry. But it makes no fucking sense. They should have never been replacements, they should have been additions. One day, everybody's gonna realize how important the tradesmen are. If you have no plumbing, you can't shit. You have no power, you're gonna be freezing your balls off. We are the backbone of this fucking country. And if you guys don't realize, you're gonna realize it very soon. Hvac.